Hello guys, welcome to Hankins Custom Rifles, Hank's Precision Gun Parts, and another episode of Hank's TV. Today is April the 1st, and they call that April Fool's Day, I guess. But we got in several packages today, and we just did a video Friday night. It's now Monday night. We did a video Friday night on a great big box that I got in here that had one little bitty barrel in it. Today we're going to do a quick video on 4 packages that I got, and none of them really are packed very well. Okay, so you guys need to do a little bit more work at home on your end to get these packages to me in a safe manner. And this is the only reason I'm doing this video is because it happens all the time. I got 6 boxes today. 4 of them could use a little extra work. One of them is in terrible shape. I'm going to go over that one first. So that's this box here. If you guys can see this box, it's tore open at this end. Okay, it's tore open at this end, and what was in it is all scratched up because whoever wrapped this didn't pack it. They didn't wrap the barrel itself in any kind of bubble wrap or paper or nothing. I think they just shoved it in the box, and looks like they got some paper in there, but it rattles back and forth. So when it gets thrown down on the conveyor and it hits the end of the box, it blows a hole out the end of it, which I think is what happened here. And they taped it up at the facility. I don't believe that this was the tape the customer put on there. So it goes blowing out the end. You know, and I get boxes in all the time like this with the barrel hanging out the end of it. Now this barrel's got quite a bit of damage on it. The Picatinny rail's scratched all up. You know, it's a blued finish, so there's really no way I can fix it. I'm just going to do a conversion like I was going to do and send it back to the guy and say, here it is, I'm sorry it got damaged in shipping. I can't help this. I can't fix this. I can fix a lot of stuff, but I can't fix this. Okay, so here's that package. That's the worst one. Here's one that's got, I'm pretty sure, another barrel in it. It doesn't sound to me like it's got any padding in it, and the box is too long. Here it's sliding around back and forth in there. So most of you guys know this, but cardboard is very abrasive. It's the worst thing you can cut with a pocket knife. It'll dull a pocket knife or a razor blade right now. Cardboard and paper is very abrasive. So this barrel come from Illinois, bouncing back and forth in a truck for hours and hours on end, vibrating. And this barrel has probably got some wear marks on it that occurred during shipping. So there's package number 2. Here's one that is also, here's a hole that's almost in the box. This end is busted out right here. I think that was probably taped up at the UPS facility. Sometimes they'll tape them up for you, sometimes they won't, but this one just wrapped around in there. So this one could have used a little more work. It's like, you hear it in there? Okay, then this big box, it's got several barrels in it, and they definitely could have picked a better box for this job, a stronger box, something that can support the weight of what's inside of it. This here is just all mashed down and soft. It's breaking in the middle, you know, so it made it. There's nothing hanging out. They taped the ends of it up. It looks like it made it to me in one piece, but it could have been done a little different. So just spend a few extra minutes to get what you need to package the product to get it to me safely and in one piece. That's all I got for you tonight, guys. Until the next time, we'll see you later.